In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft OneDrive on Windows 11. If you no longer need OneDrive on your computer or prefer to use a different cloud storage service, removing it from your system can help simplify your setup and reduce background activity. The process is straightforward, and you can always reinstall it later if needed. To begin, open your Windows 11 system and access the Settings menu. You can do this by clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu. Once inside, navigate to the section that manages installed applications. This area allows you to view and control all the programs currently installed on your device. After opening the list of installed apps, scroll through until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you locate it, click on it to reveal more options. You will see an option to uninstall the application. Select this option to begin the removal process. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice, and Windows will begin uninstalling OneDrive from your system. This may take a few moments, depending on your device's performance. While the uninstall process is running, OneDrive will be removed from your applications list, and it will no longer run in the background or sync your files. Any files that were previously synced to your computer will remain on your device unless you manually delete them, and your files stored in the cloud will still be available through the OneDrive website. If your goal was simply to stop syncing instead of removing the app completely, you could also choose to unlink your account or disable startup settings. However, uninstalling ensures that the application is fully removed from your system. If you ever decide to use OneDrive again in the future, you can easily download and install it from the official Microsoft website and sign back in to restore your files and syncing features. And that's it. You now know how to remove Microsoft OneDrive on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.